Let's solve few problems based on the functions where you have to use the logarithmic function. All right, look at the first one. So here you're trying to differentiate the functions. So the first one, you have root of x minus 1 into x minus 2 by all those things, right? So start by taking y is equal to, see, we can take this as x minus 1 into x minus 2 by x minus 3 into x minus 4 into x minus 5 whole power half. Root is basically power half. Take log on both the sides. Log y is equal to half into log of this whole thing, x minus 1 into x minus 2, x minus 3, x minus 4, x minus 5. Alright. Now, see, the rest of it you just leave it as it is. We are going to concentrate only on this part. Only on this part we are going to concentrate. So, log of a by b. Remember the rules of the logarithm. Alright. So, whenever we look into the rules of logarithm, see what we are going to talk here. You have log of x minus 1 into x minus 2 minus log of x minus 3 into x minus 4 into x minus 5, correct? Because log of a by b is what? Log a minus log b, isn't it? So again we can apply the law of logarithm. Log ab is what? Log a plus log b. So in this case, log of x minus 1 into x minus 2 becomes log of x plus 1, sorry, log of x minus 1 plus log of x minus 2, right? Log y is equal to half into, open the biggest bracket ever, log of x minus 1 plus log of x minus 2, alright, minus of, here also you have to apply the same logic, isn't it? Log of x minus 3 minus log of x minus 4 minus log of x minus 5. See, this is the whole thing, right? So now what we are going to do, you need to differentiate this one, right? When you differentiate, you will get 1 by y into y dash is equal to half into log of x minus 1, 1 by x minus 1 plus 1 by x minus 2 minus 1 by x minus 3, 1 by x minus 4 minus 1 by x minus 5. Correct? See, 1, you can actually take the LCM and simplify, but to be honest, it's going to become a huge value, like extremely big. You're going to get a polynomial of degree 5, not even a biquadratic, it's one above that. So you can keep it as it is, or if you want, you guys can simplify it. Okay, it's up to you. So y dash becomes y by 2 into this x minus 2, 1 by x minus 3 minus 1 by x minus 4, x minus 5, right? What is y value? What did we take the y value as? Y value is what you have in the question, right? So this is the value of y. So this value you substitute here, y value. Of course, the answer is going to be a huge one, isn't it? See, if you take it, you'll get y dash is equal to half root of x minus 1 into x minus 2 by x minus 3, x minus 4 into x minus 5 into 1 by x minus 1, 1 by x minus 2 minus 1 by x minus 3 1 by x minus 4 minus 1 by x minus 5. This is the answer for the first one. I know it's quite a big one. It is not very hard. It's just that it's monotonous and it looks very, very bad. It looks very scary, but it's not. It's very, very simple. All right. You just have to go step by step by step. Then you will figure out what is the answer. Fine. So this is the answer for the first one. Now let's do the second one. See the second one. So y is equal to x power x minus 2 power sin x. So what you do, take u, say u is equal to x power x and v is equal to 2 power sin x. Alright. So why we are taking like this? Because you'll get y is equal to u minus v, or y dash is equal to u dash minus v dash. So just keep it aside. Keep this part aside. Now you need to calculate u dash and v dash, isn't it? So what we are going to do, come here. So you have u is equal to x power x, take log. So log u is equal to x into log of x, isn't it? So 1 by u into u dash, derivative is equal to log x plus x into 1 by x, which is 1. Just remember how you were solving the product rule. The same thing I've applied here also. That's all. Right? So what is u dash? U dash becomes u into this, correct? Or x power x into 1 plus log of x. So we got the value of u dash. Same thing we need to do for v dash, isn't it? So now when you're calculating for v dash, so we'll say v is equal to 2 power sin x, log of v is equal to sin x into log 2. Remember, ln is also natural log, or log of base e is also natural log, right? So here you'll get 1 by v into v dash is equal to log 2 into cos x. Log 2 is a number, constant. So v dash is equal to 2 power sin x into cos x into log 2. Correct? So we have u dash, we have v dash. So what you are going to do? Substitute that in terms of u dash and v dash. Alright? So if you substitute, then finally you will have the answer as y dash is equal to x power x into 1 plus a log of x minus, you will have 2 to the power of sin x into cos x into log 2. Clear? 2 power sin x into cos x into log 2. This is going to be the answer for the second one, this particular one. Clear? Now let's do the third one. Third one is very similar to the second one if you look at it. You have to take it as u and v, differentiate u separately, differentiate v separately, and then merge them to get the y dash value. Alright? Like I told, take y is equal to u plus v. Now by now you should be able to understand how do we go about it. Alright? So what we'll do, we'll take this value as u, we'll take this value as v. Right? So y dash is equal to u dash plus v dash. Correct? Now let's start with u. U is equal to x plus 1 by x whole power x. Right? Log u, x into log of x plus 1 by x. Right? So 1 by u into u dash is equal to log of x plus 1 by x, one thing, plus x into, here you have to apply the chain rule, correct? First is the log function, then the x plus 1 by x function, right? So x into 1 by x plus 1 by x into 1 minus 1 by x square. Okay, we need to simplify this a little further. But here you can say u dash is equal to u into log of x plus 1 by x plus x into, if you take the LCM and simplify, you are going to get x by x square plus 1, first part, into, here you will have x square minus 1 by x square. X square and x square cancels, right? So what do you get now? U dash is equal to x plus 1 by x whole power x. That's nothing but the value of u into, so this is going to become log of x plus 1 by x, the first term, plus x square minus 1 by x square plus 1. Correct? Guys, this is just u dash. This is only u dash here. Now we need to do v dash. Okay? Now when we are doing the v dash part, I think we might need extra space for this one. Alright? Because u dash itself is a very big term. V dash is going to be another big term. Okay? And then we are going to add both of them. Fine? V is equal to x power 1 plus 1 by x. Right? So log v is equal to 1 plus 1 by x into log of x. So 1 by v into v dash is equal to, first, minus 1 by x square into log of x plus 1 plus 1 by x into 1 by x. Fair enough? Further, we need to simplify, like you can take 1 by x square common and simplify this one. So you will have v dash is equal to v into log x into minus 1 by x square plus 1 by x plus 1 by x square. Correct? So v dash is equal to x power 1 plus 1 by x into, see, take 1 by x square common, right? 1 by x square into 1 minus log x plus 1 by x. This is v dash. You already have u dash, you have v dash, correct? So y dash, combine both of them together, right? Y dash is equal to the first part, that is the u dash, is x plus 1 by x whole power x into, so the next part you have x plus 1 by x plus x square minus 1 by x square plus 1. This is the first part. Plus, now you have v dash, correct? Which is x to the power of 1 plus 1 by x into 1 minus log x. This is the final answer. I know it's quite a big answer, but this is the method how you are going to use. Alright, now let's do the next set of problems. Again, take it as u and v. Alright, so this is going to be u, this is going to be v. Alright, so you have fourth one. So first we'll directly take it. Okay, u is equal to log of x whole power x. So log of u is equal to x into log of log x. Log of log x, right? So differentiate 1 by u to u dash is equal to log of log x plus x into, here you have to apply the chain rule. So you're going to get 1 by log x into 1 by x. Okay. Now, easily, aram se do it because you have log of log x. So 1 by log x and 1 by x. So here x and x cancels. So u dash is equal to log of x whole power x into log of log x plus 1 by log x. This is the value of u dash. Now we need to do the same thing for v, this one. Alright. So v is equal to x power log x. Again, take log. Log v is equal to log x into log x. Or we can write this as log of x whole square. Right? So 1 by v into v dash is 2 times log x into 1 by x. It's like 2x square. Sorry, x square derivative. 2x. Similar. So v dash becomes x power log x into 2 by x into log of x. Now add both of them. So y dash is equal to log of x whole power x into log of log x plus 1 by log x plus x power log x into 2 by x into log x. See, this is the answer for the fourth one. Alright, now let's do the fifth one. Here you need to understand, no need of taking log for this particular function. Alright, but instead what we'll do now is, we'll take this as u, take this as v, but do not take log v. That's all. That's the only difference. Take log u, but not log v. Fair enough? Now, for the fifth one, again, u is equal to sin x to the power of x, log of u, correct, is equal to x into log of sin x. Differentiate 1 by u, u dash, log of sin x plus x into 1 by sin x into cos x. Correct? So u dash is equal to u into, which is sin x to the power of x into log of sin x. This is the first part, plus x into cot x. So this is going to give me the u dash value. Now v dash, see, v is sine inverse of root x, right? Now you don't have to take log here because there is no function to the power of another function. It is just one particular function. But here you need to apply the quotient, sorry, not quotient, you have to apply the chain rule, right? So v dash becomes 1 by root of 1 minus x, because square root of x whole square becomes x, into 1 by 2 root x, the derivative of root x. Fair enough? So we have this as v dash. Now what do? You just add the values because it's u plus v, right? So when you're doing u plus v, y dash is equal to sin x to the power of x into log of sin x plus x cot x, this is u dash, plus 1 by root of 1 minus x into 1 by 2 root x. This is going to be the final answer for the fifth one. Again, you don't have to take the log for the second part. That is, you don't have to take the log for this part. Fine. Now, if you look at the sixth one, it is very similar to the fifth one what we did just now. Take the log for the first function. You don't have to take the log for the second one. All right. Now let's do the sixth one. This is the first function. Take the log. For the second one, you do not have to take the log. Mean you can. That's going to make things a lot more easier. But if you don't want directly, you can apply the quotient rule. It's up to you. Right? Anyway, the sixth one now, we'll start with u value. U is equal to x power cos x. Correct? Now, log of u is cos x log x. Differentiate 1 by u into u dash minus sin x into log x plus cos x divided by x. Correct? So, u dash is equal to x power cos x into, so I'll write the cos x by x as the first term because it is positive, right? Minus sin x into log x. See, this is u dash. Now we need to calculate v dash, right? So for v dash, v is what? X square plus 1 by x square minus 1. Guys, you can take log. If you take log, it's going to become minus. Things will become a lot more easier. Or if you want to keep it in, in terms of the normal quotient rule, you can do it that way. Fine. But since this is logarithmic derivatives, I am going to take log. Fine. So now what do you do? Log v is equal to log of x square plus 1 by x square minus 1. So 1 by v into v dash. So before the derivative, let me do this part, okay? See what we have, take log v is equal to log of x square plus 1 minus log of x square minus 1. This is going to make things a lot more easier for you. Alright. Now differentiate 1 by v into v dash, 1 by x square plus 1 into 2x. Correct? Minus 1 by x square minus 1 into 2x. Right? Simplify this. So v dash is equal to v into, see if you take 2x common, 2x into x square minus 1 minus x square minus 1 by this. We just took the LCM. Correct? Just taking the LCM, you'll get this. X square cancels. So v dash, here only I'll write v dash. V dash is equal to v into, which is v is what? X square plus 1 by x square minus 1. X square plus 1 by, x square minus 1 into, here you have, see, 2x into minus 2, right? Minus 4x by x power 4 minus 1. Guys, this is v dash. So you have u dash here, you have v dash here. Now what do? You have to add both of them, isn't it? That's going to give you the value of y dash. So let's do this one now. X to the power of cos x into cos x by x minus sin x into log x. Correct? Now you have a negative sign. Minus x square plus 1 by x square minus 1 into 4x by x power 4 minus 1. This is the answer for the y dash. So this is the answer for the sixth one. Fair enough? Let's do the next one. Let's do the seventh one now. See, so for the seventh one, again, it's the same logic. So call this as u, call this as v. All right. So we have for the seventh one, we are going to do first u is equal to x cos x whole to the power of x. Take log. Log of u is equal to x into log of x cos x. Here you have to apply the product rule and the chain rule both. Alright. So 1 by u into u dash log of x cos x. X derivative is 1 plus x into 1 by x cos x into, here you have to again apply the product rule, right? So this is going to become cos x minus x into sin x. X and x cancels. So you have u dash is equal to x cos x whole power x into log of x cos x plus secant x into cos x minus x into sin x. Alright? You can write this as u dash is equal to x cos x whole power x into log of x cos x plus multiply the secant x. Secant into cos is 1 minus x into secant is what? 1 by cos. Sin by cos becomes tan. X tan x. See, this is going to be u dash, correct? Now we have to do what is v dash. Again, very similar. Take the log, do it and everything. Alright, so let's do v dash now. Now v is equal to x sin x whole power x, correct? Sorry, whole power 1 by x, not x. Take log v is equal to 1 by x log of x into sin x, correct? Differentiate. 1 by v to v dash is equal to minus 1 by x square into log of x sin x, first part, plus 1 by x into 1 by x into sin x, correct? Into sin x plus x cos x. This is going to be the value. We need to multiply, simplify this and lot of other things. So 1 by v dash minus 1 by x square log of x sin x, correct? Plus, see, if you individually divide, you'll get 1 by x square because sin x cancels. Plus, cosine over sine is cot. So you get cot x divided by x. See, here to make it an easier point for you, the 1x and 1x cancels. So that's how you are going to get this one. Alright. Anyway, now what do we have? You multiply. You can take 1 by x square common also, right? So you multiply by v. So v dash is equal to x sin x to the power 1 by x into 1 by x square 1 minus log of sin x plus cot x divided by x, right? See, this is going to be v dash. Guys, u dash is also quite a big term. V dash is also a big term. Now we need to add these two. That's how you are going to get y dash, correct? So let's do this one. This is the value of u dash, correct? And v dash is basically x sin x to the power 1 by x into 1 by x square 1 minus log of sin x plus cot x divided by x, correct? Dash is going to become y dash is equal to, guys, you just have to add these two. Okay, so you will get x cos x to the power of x into log of x cos x plus 1 minus x tan x plus this one, x sin x to the power of 1 by x into 1 by x square into 1 minus log of sin x plus cot x divided by x. Now this entire thing is just one single term, and that is the answer for the seventh one. Clear? It's quite a big term, but most of the log answers, if you have noticed in the last 6 or 7 problems, look at the answers are quite big, and that's how it is going to be. Fair enough? Now let's do the eighth one. X power y plus y power x, correct? So let's make it like this. U plus v is equal to 1. Alright? So u is equal to x power y. So log of u is y into log of x, isn't it? So 1 by u into u dash is, first is y dash into log of x plus y divided by x, right? So u dash is equal to x power y into y dash log x plus y by x, correct? Now same thing for the second part, that is v is equal to y power x, right? V is equal to x log y, 1 by v into v dash is equal to log y plus x by y into y dash, correct? So what is v dash now? V into, that is y power x into log y plus x by y into y dash. This is gonna be, right? Now when you differentiate, when I say differentiate, you're trying to differentiate this. RHS is gonna be 0. Make sense? That means what we are going to get, you will get here only, if I write u dash plus v dash is equal to 0, isn't it? It's equal to 0. Or you can say that u dash is equal to minus v dash, isn't it? Now we are going to equate these two with a negative sign. Fair enough? V dash, correct? Now you need to get the y dash term separately. So if you do this, you will get y dash into x power y log x plus y by x into x power y, correct? So this is the y dash part is equal to, again take the y dash term separately, minus y power x into x by y dash, correct? The first part, minus y power x into log of y. Now you take this y dash to this side. Alright, so once you take the y dash, take the non-y dash term to this side. Transpose. So when you transpose, you'll get y dash into x power y log x plus y power x into x by y is equal to, so when you take it to the other side, you'll get minus of y power x into log y plus y by x into x power y, correct? So y dash, the final result, y dash is equal to minus of y power x log y plus y by x into x power y divided by x power y log x plus y power x into x by y. So this is going to be the final answer. So this is the answer for the eighth one. All right. So this is implicit, and including with implicit, we are doing the logarithmic derivative, correct? Same thing is there even for the ninth one. But then the good thing is for the ninth one, you just have to take log on both the sides directly. We'll do the ninth one now. All right. You have, you don't have to take UV or anything. Just directly take log on both the sides. So you have y into log of cos x is equal to x into log of cos y, right? Now differentiate y dash into log of cos x plus y divided by cos x into minus sin x is equal to log of cos y plus x into 1 by cos y into minus sin y into y dash. Correct? Into y dash. So now let's simplify before we take the y dash as common. All right. So y dash into log of cos x minus y into tan x is equal to log of cos y minus x tan y into y dash. Correct? Now take the y dash on one side. That means on the RHS y dash what you have, we'll take that to LHS. So you'll get y dash into log of cos x plus y dash into x tan y is equal to y tan x plus log of cos y, isn't it? So finally take y dash common, y dash into log of cos x plus x tan y, y tan x plus log of cos y, correct? So now what do? Take the y dash. So y dash is equal to y tan x plus log of cos y by log of cos x plus x tan y. This is the answer for the ninth one. Alright, now let's do the 10th one. So for the 10th one, now if you take log on both the sides, you'll get log xy is equal to x minus y into log e. Remember, log e is 1, right? So on the LHS, you can, if you differentiate 1 by xy into, so you can write this as y plus xy dash is equal to 1 minus y dash. Fair enough? You need to get the value of y dash separately, isn't it? Now, one way what you can do is, you can take the x 1 by xy, you know what you have on the LHS, you can transpose it to the RHS, basically the cross multiplying part. So you'll get y plus xy dash, xy into 1 minus y dash, or y plus xy dash is xy minus xy into y dash. Alright, RHS y dash, take it to the LHS. So you will have xy dash plus xy into y dash is xy minus y. Now here take x into y dash common. If you take xy dash common, 1 plus y is equal to y into x minus 1. Correct? Now, unfortunately, nothing gets cancelled out here. So what you can write now, you can write y dash is equal to y into x minus 1 divided by x into y plus 1. So this is going to be the last problem. All right. Now, in these problems, we have pretty much covered all types of problems, different varieties and all types of problems under logarithmic. We also included the implicit, correct? Now, these set of problems what you have are the basic levels. Fair enough. Now, I want you to solve more problems on log so that you understand how to solve these problems. Bama.